Hello all, this is Shruti, and in today's video we are going to learn how to upgrade our render quality in Clo 3D. So the render quality of any Clo file is mainly depends on the number of pixel it has, and to get your best render you have to manipulate the pixels, and to do that we have to go to this render option, then click onto the render, then go on to the image option, image setting option, then image size, and then manipulate the pixels here. So this is 500, I am making this 2000 here, and then enter. So once you refresh your render panel, render window, the pixel quality will enhance. You can easily notice that. So once this refresh is done, then you pause, and then you start with your render. So this will take time, so I already have done the render here and also attach the compare image. So I have attached the lower quality image as well as high quality image. So this is the first low quality image is rendered on 500 pixels, and this high quality image is rendered on 2000 pixels. Let me zoom this picture, then you will clearly notice the difference between both. So you can see this is more grainy, and this with 2000 pixel it has better clarity. So yeah, that's all for today. Have a nice day.